Hello and welcome to another Igloo imaging tutorial. This one's on properly aligned text using tabs and leader. If you've ever done a food menu or something similar and had to put some full stops and prices in on the right hand side, you'll see that they don't always align perfectly. Some of them do, some of them don't. So what you can do is select the full stops and play with the tracking. So just select them all and then move the tracking up and down, but on a big menu that's not realistic. There's a much quicker way. So if you want to follow along, just put some pretend text in and some full stops and prices. You're going to click T, hit the text, and then press Command A, which will select everything. Then press Command Shift T to bring up tabs. Alternatively, you can press Windows, go down to Type, and tabs is at the bottom. Once you've got that open, you can just click and drag on above the ruler here to put your tab mark in, so that should do there. And then we're going to get rid of the full stops. So select all those and hit tab and go all the way down. So what we've got now is all the prices are perfectly aligned after the menu items. I'll just drag a ruler in so I can show you. I'll show the ruler here, and you can see it's all perfectly aligned. The full stops have gone, so all you have to do is again select Command A and then go to leader, which is this little box here, and just put full stop in. Perfectly aligned full stops. If you want a space, just hit the space bar, but it doesn't really work for this one. And that's it. Perfectly aligned text. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.